see an x cubed in there, right away you should be looking for what? Greatest common factor of x's, right? Do we have a common factor for x?
Yes.
Yeah, we sure do. Okay, so we know we can factor an x out. How about our coefficients? We know they're all even, right? So we know we can factor out at least 2, but can we go higher? Well, how about 4? It's 4 times 4, that's only 16, right? So 4 is not, but 2 is, okay? Alright, so we got 2x. Alright, so we factor 2 from 36, and that leaves us with 18x squared, right? Plus 2 factored out of 18, that leaves us with a what? 9x minus 2. Alright, well this looks like a real bear of a problem, right? But maybe not, maybe it's not so bad. Let's put our x's in there. Our signs, what are they?
Positive and negative.
Okay, plus and a minus. Factors of 18. 1 and 18, and 2 and 9, right? And 3 and 6. Okay, so here's that 1, 2, 3. Alright? Alright, factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So what set of factors would be the easiest to start with?
2.
Factors of 2, right? There's only one set. So we put those in there, that narrows down. Now all we have to do is focus on these. Okay? Alright, so let's say we put the 2 here. And let's say we put the 1 here. Let's just say we do that. So now, all we have to do is figure out what these numbers here are. So, what factor of 18 times 2? Now, are we going to add or subtract these factors to give us 9? Subtract, right? Our signs are opposite, so we know we're going to subtract. Alright. Well, 2 times 18, that's way out there, right? And so 2 minus 18, that's 16. So we know 1 and 18 is not going to work. That's out. Alright, how about 2, let's see, 2 and 9. Well, 2 times 9 is 18, and 2, no, that's not going to work. How about 4 and 9? No, that's not going to work either. Well, 3 and 6. Okay? How about well, let's see. 2 times 6 is 12. We put 6 here, right? And 3 here. 2 times 6 is a negative 12x. And this is plus 3x. Does that work? What does that give us?
A negative.
Negative 9x. Do we want negative 9x?
Switch the signs.
Yeah, we want a positive 9x, so we got to switch the signs. The number works out, but the signs don't. So make that a minus, make this a plus, check it again. 6 times 2, that's plus 12x, minus 3x, that gives us a plus 9x. And now it checks. Okay? Questions with that? And so that's our answer. Alright? We're going to do some more of these. The whole next lesson is all these, almost all these. There's some other factoring binomials, but Alright, let's try this, and then we'll take a break. 6k squared plus 5kp minus 6p squared. Okay. Do we have a common, first of all, do we have a common factor?
No.
We don't, but you want to check it. Alright, so we don't have a common factor. Put in our parentheses, put in our variables, we're going to put our k's in, we're going to put our p's in, put our signs in, do our factor tables. Alright, go ahead and try it. As you're doing that, I'll go ahead and put k's in, put the p's in, plus and minus. Factors for 6, 1 and 6 and 2 and 3, right? Same for the other side. One thing to keep in mind while you're doing this, if your middle term is a low number, chances are pretty good that your factors are going to be close together, like 2 and 3 are close together. 1 and 6, not so much close together. Like 6 times 6 would be 36, right? That's way up there. So if your number is low, chances are your factors are close together. So I would try those first. Okay, what do we want to try? Let's start with the leading coefficient. Do we want to try 1 and 6 or 2 and 3? 2
and 3.
2 and 3. Put 2 here, 3. Okay? And let's say, and we got 2 and 3 here, right? We can either put 3 and 2 or 2 and 3. But let's say we're not sure. Okay, we want to check it. We want to check it, right? 2 times 2, that's a negative 4p, kp, right? Plus 9 kp. That gives us plus 5 kp. Well, it checks. Alright, just sometimes, you know, like if you try 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, you got to check it because you just really don't know for sure, right? 2 and 3 and 3 and 2, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, right? They're factors of 6. They'll give you your first and your last, but they won't give you the middle number. So you got to check to make sure that middle number works for you. Okay? Questions with that? Okay, we're going to take a 10-minute break and come back